What's up, riders? Welcome back to Zee Autos. Today we're diving into the 2025 Honda XL750 Transalp, a middleweight ADV machine that's been turning heads since its comeback. And trust me, this thing bites harder than it looks. So check this out. Honda dropped the 755cc liquid-cooled parallel twin in this beast. We're talking 90 horses at 9,500 RPM and 75 Newton meters of torque. Smooth, punchy, and real chill even when you're ripping it through the dirt or cruising on the highway. And yeah, it's got that 270-degree crank for that throaty V-twin feel without the weight. The ride? Lightweight for an ADV, tipping the scales at 208 kgs wet. That means easy handling, especially off-road. You get a Showa 43mm USD fork up front with 200mm travel and a ProLink rear monoshock with 190mm. Not fully adjustable, but solid for your everyday exploring. Stock wheels are spoke, 21-inch front and 18-inch rear. So yeah, this thing is legit trail ready. And sure, they're tube-type tires, but that's the price for real durability in the dirt. Sight height, 850mm. Got long legs, you're golden. Shorter folks, low seats an option. The riding position is hella comfy, perfect for long days in the saddle. Tech Squad, Honda hooked it up with a 5-inch TFT that's crisp and less reflective than before. Crazy easy to read in bright sun. You also get Honda Road Sync for your phone, multiple riding modes from sport to rain to gravel, and even a user mode so you can dial it in your way. Although, heads up, it resets when you shut the bike off. Kind of annoying, but hey, not a deal breaker. On road, this thing is smooth, balanced, and just fun. Off-road, light, agile, and doesn't feel like you're wrestling a buffalo. Reviewers love that it's less top-heavy than some of the competition. But yeah, if you're smashing hardcore terrain, you might want to upgrade that suspension. And the aftermarket game is strong. Need panniers, crash bars, tall windscreen? It's all out there, from Honda or dudes like SW Motec, Hepco, and Pool. Dress it up, pack it out, or just black it out. It's your adventure, baby. So if you've been eyeing the do-it-all ADV bike that won't break your back or the bank, the Honda XL750 Transalp is straight up solid. Smooth power, gangster looks, and serious flexibility. Honda came correct with this one. Hit that like, smash the subscribe, and let me know if you rock this ride, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out and stay rolling.